School is finally in session. It's that prime time for a student to start developing crushes again and hope that this school year something different will happen. Perhaps getting into a relationship. If not this year, there are many more school years to come. Well, until you hit the end of college. Now, let's say you're in class and you see this cute guy and your mind and body is attracted to him, but you're not too sure if he likes you. Don't worry, I got you covered. These were the things I used to do or seen most guys do in school when they like someone, but remember that not all guys will behave the same way. Some guys could be shy and some could be bold, so these signs might not all coexist. But here are 15 signs on how to know if a guy likes you in school. Number 1. He becomes more talkative around you. Have you ever noticed that when you're nearby, he starts talking more or just talking in general just to be the center of attention? If he's talking directly to you more than his friends or anyone else, it's probably a good sign that he's interested in you. A stronger sign would be that he's talking to you in class too, and if you guys ever been caught talking multiple times in class by your teacher, then you already know it, he's into you. Number 2. He asks if you want to be his study buddy. Initially, this sign might not be a strong indicator because there are some students who actually need a study partner to do better in class. But if he is constantly asking you to study outside of class and you guys are chit-chatting about other things besides schoolwork, that might be a stronger sign that he's interested in you. It's a friendly way to test the water with you a little and actually get to know you. Plus, it doesn't make things awkward since you both have a goal in mind, which is to study. Number 3. He's nervous around you. This is especially true for shy guys. They like you but can't really wrap their heads around you when you're present. Common symptoms when you're around could be stutters, uncontrollable laughs and smiles, shifty eyes, or too much eye contact, weird remarks, or just overly awkward. The best way to remedy this is to just hang around him more often and make him feel more comfortable. He'll slowly revert back to his normal self. Number 4. He's overly nice to you in class. Need a pencil? He has you covered. Need papers to take notes? He has you covered. Need help carrying your stuff? He has you covered. Need help with homework? He also has you covered. He would be classified as a nice guy. This sign might be a little hard to tell, so you might have to see if he does this with everyone else. But if he's attentive towards you and not everyone else, then he definitely likes you. Number 5. He looks for your reaction when he does something funny in class. If you're nearby and he's talking with a group of people and you notice he starts to raise his voice a little more or starts cracking a few jokes and occasionally looking at you to see if you're looking at him and at least smile at his jokes, then that's a good sign that he's trying to get your attention and to notice him. He likes you because why else would he be constantly looking at you for that smile? Number 6. He touches you to get your attention. You know in class how students sit next to each other, or if you're in a group setting, someone will sit across from you. Either way, this is how it will go down if he likes you. If he is sitting next to you, he might occasionally tap you to annoy you, or if your desk is really close to each other, he'll literally just shift his entire body to bump you. I'm guilty of that, especially on bus rides. You know those turns? I might have over-exaggerated a little. Sorry, Mary, for knocking your head to the window during our field trip. It was an accident. Oh yeah, footsies. Can't forget about those. If his leg and foot is intertwined with yours, that's a definite yes. Number 7. He's texting you in class. Now, I don't condone texting in class because it's rude to the teacher and the students around, but if he's texting you in class, then it implies that you're more important than the class itself. There's you right now, and then there's the class. So if you know he's in class and he's giving you text, there's a great chance that he likes you. I think nowadays some classrooms already ban cell phones, so if that's the case, this won't apply to you. Or will it? Is he gonna be a rebel and do it either way? Number 8. He walks you to class. If you both have the same class together, then that's a different story. But if you have a class on the north side of campus and he has a class on the south side of campus, then you know he's definitely into you. He's trying to squeeze every bit of break time with you just to be with you. If a girl did that to me, it'll warm my heart. Number 9. He walks you home. This is another great way to spend more time with you. It's a more subtle way to spend some one-on-one time with you. Plus, it's just nice to have some company walking back home. if you both don't walk but instead take the bus, he'll most likely sit next to you all the time if he likes you. So you should probably just be aware of that if he's doing this. Number 10, he gives you gifts. Okay, the gifts that he's going to give you aren't going to be fancy and expensive. He's still in school, remember? He's not going to afford some designer bag for you. So when I say gift, it's going to be something small. It could be something practical like a notebook, a pen, bookmarks, or a water bottle. And you best bet it's going to mean something if he gives you gifts on your birthday or Christmas. If he's doing that, it's most likely that he likes you. Number 11, he's hanging out with you at lunch. Getting lunch together and hanging out is equivalent to going on lunch date as an adult, minus the expensive bill, the time to get there, and the quality of the food. Well, you get what you pay for at school. I still remember Pizza Friday at school, and I thought it was the best thing ever when Fridays come along. Haha, but anyways, if he's spending time with you at lunch and not with his friends, he definitely likes you. Oh yeah, don't forget about the part that he's sharing food with you. That's another giveaway. Number 12, he participates in the same school activities as you. If he's joined the same clubs, doing the same volunteer work, doing band, participating in school election, or even trying to do the same co-ed sports as you, it's most likely that he likes you. At this point, he's probably trying to spend more time with you. Number 13, you both get teased by your own friends. Some friends aren't blind. If his friends notice that he's hanging around with you a lot or perhaps talking about you a lot, he'll definitely get teased about it. Same goes to you. Rumors will spread like wildfire. If his friends are teasing him, it'll eventually spread to your friends and your friends might say something along the lines of, "Hey, I think so-and-so has a crush on you." Granted, rumors aren't always true, but if you notice that he does seem to treat you differently than others, then that's a positive sign that he likes you. Number 14, he invites you to everything or almost everything. If he invites you to birthday parties, band performances, school concerts, and other celebrations, then it's a good sign that he likes you. Because why would someone invite another person almost all the time? Also, there are these special occasions that you probably know about. They are the winter formals, balls, proms, and other dances or formal occasions that your school holds. If he's asking you out to these events, then he definitely likes you. Number 15, he makes friends with your friends. To be more likable, he'll definitely want to be friends with your friends. This way, it'll be easier to just talk or hang out with you. Another reason for this might be that he probably wants to know more about you, so knowing your friends might help him gain some knowledge about you. Plus, it doesn't hurt to have a few extra friends to ship you guys together. It'll definitely make the transition smoother when you're about to get together. Haha. Overall, I believe that if a guy is actively doing only a couple of these signs, it's probably safe to say that he likes you, because some of these signs require a lot of time and effort, and if he really likes you, he wouldn't mind it just to be with you. And if you like him, remember to reciprocate. A relationship won't happen if it's only one-sided. Hope this helped, and if you want to have a successful school year, help me smash that like button. See you next time. Bye!